about you bad and you know bad like me. We hear me bad bill if you afraid of me.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless you, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. We say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, life are the greatest gift. Cherish it, because today we're there. Tomorrow we're gone. Yeah, man, big up everybody on the platform. If you're new to the channel, I don't know, please consider to like, share the content, subscribe, and click the bell. When the support is highly appreciated, always. You? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. You all must know already. You know me late, I'm there at work. I'm on the job right now, vlogging. Give my sincere condolence to the Bop family. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Great. Gully Bop, Booty Bop. You see me I say? Big up one Bop. One Bop, I know you're grieving right now. You're old man. I know you love him. I care how much. You know you talk. Not even say against him, but you know what I mean? It's truth and rights. Zeal against your father. Big up one Bop. Big up Andrew Blacks, brother of Gully Bop. I know you're mourning right now. I know you love your brother. I care how much you say you avoid him and stay far from him. I care how much Gully Bop this, you know, and style, you know. I know I'm not hurting right now because at the end of the day, blood thicker than water. See it, my viewers and subscribers. So, we all heard the news. Well, I heard the news late. Big up White Shadow. Big up 3 million. You know, big up people who I ring down my phone for telling me, you know. I am now so me a one Bop back connection. And Gully Bop too. My viewers and subscribers, this is a hard one to take, you know, for the dancehall industry. You know, all the veterans them. Gully Bop friends them. Gully Bop friends them from day one. I talk from in the 80s, 70s, you know. Gully Bop friend them. Yeah, man, artist brother them. You know, so Ninja Man Vex right now. Big up Ninja Man did and Gargan, you know. And I mean, big up the real friend them of Gully Bop musically. Brothers them who them coming at the music business together. Some boss left Gully Bop. You know what I mean? Some pass away left Gully Bop. Gully Bop get him opportunity in the 50s. Couple of years ago. And I know so Gully Bop has inspired a lot, even me, because it made me believe, say, yo, where there's a will, there's a way. You know, once there's life, there's hope. Never too late for a shower a friend. Gully Bop are one of the artists who inspired I and I, if you believe and don't give up musically, because you know, say, one day shall I get the opportunity to show the world how great our talent there is. You see me? Yeah, man. Gully Bop get the breakthrough, and I'm not telling a lie, him create a havoc musically. But the why Gully Bop thing never stable, Gully Bop career was exploited. Exploited by crab in a barrel, greedy people, you know, and selfish people. You see me I say selfish people, yeah. All for the money, them never think about to make Gully Bop career sustainable and can last and grow. Not to say Gully Bop has to blame himself, you know, because of his attitude and his behavior, or him deal with people, cuss people and hype and show off, yes. But at the end of the day, if him did have a good team around him where know say they were dealing the business professionally and make Gully Bop excel to higher heights, even forget him some songwriters, you know, as I say, have a steady camp around him, but no, everybody was for the money, and Gully Bop feisty, so him head never screwed on them way. They see it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I really thought, man. But I don't know. End of the day, Gully Bop drop out, and it's a sad, as I say, it's sad for dancehall, you know. Sad one for dancehall right now. You see it? Yeah, man. Yes, man, my sincere condolence, you know what I mean, to the family them of Robert Lee Malcolm Gully Bop, who's given name Robert Lee Malcolm, has passed away, star. You see it, through his injuries, his illness. Well, I spoke to one Bop, and you know, one Bop, I know say had the infection and catch up in the sickness, so I'm having a little bag there, you know. John Star. And come like say, public, them need more better treatment style for the people. Them, cause my brethren, son got on with the British and catch up infection down there. He never make it. Rest in peace, Zion. Is it so? The great One Bop drop out. I don't know. Every girl want to work for me. You see me? One Bop. Everybody love One Bop and the man just drop down to start. You see me? Viewers and subscribers. That's what I tell you, say you have to cherish life, you know, man. You have to cherish life. And I'm going to try to get to Gully Bop, One Bop still. You see me, Gully Bop son, and here I go up and want to go on. And I don't know any contribution we can do to the family, towards the family. If I even $2 buckle around me, I make that go on, because I don't know, I love One Bop. You see me? I love Gully Bop. Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers, life are the greatest gift in the star. Nobody knows. You see me, I say? Nobody knows when I will last day on the earth. And I'm here, the man of peace. I beg the youths and protect the violence off the streets. One Bop, Nico, big up yourself and stay strong, brother. Andrew Blocks, stay strong, my brother. Mama Bop, no, you love your son, you know. You see me? Like you what? I hear belly pain, you see me? You know you feel it, so blessed love and stay strong. Viewers and subscribers are the man of peace and there on the work, yeah. Sad day for you, say Gully Bop drop out start. No, I expect it, but you know, saying they sick out still, you see me, and you seek for help, and you know, enough people say them not help him, but they don't want to help him because of the, you see me, I say, his behavior and his action, and you know, never shown no gratitude and no thank you and them things there. You see me? People that say all sort of stuff, same up on the white substance and all of them things about. Why may I tell you the great Bop. John Star. Big up the whole Grand Spend, you know. Big up Painland. Big up Kasha Park. You see me I say? Yeah, man. The whole of Barbican. You see it? Yeah. The whole upon the wall time there. Mangoes Town, Espute. The whole of my vicinity. Youths, you are going to stop the crime and live in love and peace. See the earthquake are going right there? We're going to see the 5 different earthquakes. A sign of wonders. Too much wicked thing are going on the land. You see me? But I don't know this vlog is about Gully Bop. I'm going to stray from the argument start. Gully Bop, One Bop. May his soul rest in everlasting peace. You see me I say? The great Gully Bop. Is it? May his soul rest in everlasting peace, Papa. From Lionfoot, you know? John Star. Life goes on, man. Life goes on, but it's sad, you know, the whole dancehall fraternity right now. Mourn, I know that. Gully Bop original friend, them, you see me? And there one. Yeah, man. Great Gully Bop. Legend, legacy, left him legacy, you know? Every girl want to work off for me. And then, you see me as Gully Bop with burst for the scene with that vibe still, you know? Only if you could get the support, backing, musically, management wise, and everybody just come and rip off and rub off and cut left him. Boy, may I tell my viewers and subscribers, I saw it going, big up on yourself, you know. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Saying, I'm the man of peace. Blessed love, give thanks. Yeah, man. Stay safe out there in the atmosphere. Blessed.
My God, and ain't nobody like me.